Hello there. Welcome to yet another broadcast from the Stock Analyst Master Station. We are trying to desperately get this information out to you this afternoon. It's 1:23 p.m. and I apologize for being so late. We're going to go ahead and get right into an NVDA chart so we can get you something before the market closes out. Maybe you can make a play at the Intrium within the next few hours. So we definitely do apologize as we know the clock is desperately ticking. Let's get to this chart analysis on NVIDIA. We'll be looking at it on the 240 minute or 4 hour range. And so let's get right into it. Sam will begin with the analysis momentarily. Sam, say hello to YouTube. Please entertain them. Sam, we are listening and waiting for your analysis. There we go. Right on time. He's already thought of an idea. What's up, Sam?
Okay, Brandon. Thanks for sharing this NVIDIA chart with me. We're looking at NVDA on the 240-minute time frame, and I can see some interesting price action unfolding right now. The stock is hovering around $177.43. It looks like we had a strong move down on September 11th, followed by a couple of days of indecision with those smaller candles, and now a pretty significant teal candle pushing up on September 15th. That last candle looks quite bullish, doesn't it? It seems to be trying to reclaim some of the ground lost. I'm seeing a clear resistance level around $180.28, where those upper horizontal lines are. The high from September 11th was $178.28. If NVDA can clear these levels, we could see a nice push higher. Given the current momentum and the setup, here's a potential options play if it continues this bullish sentiment. Do you see that strong teal candle pushing towards resistance? Or are you seeing something different in its structure?
Well, I think the 174.54 is significant.
Okay, Brandon, I'm locked in. Looking at NVDA on this 240-minute chart is a great way to catch some significant swings. You mentioned looking at it on the 4-hour range, and I'm ready to dive in. What I'm seeing immediately is NVDA trading around 177.41, with some clear horizontal lines marking out key levels. It looks like we've got some defined resistance around 178.23 and then a stronger ceiling near 180.28. On the support side, 174.54 seems pretty important, and then 171.02 below that. The most recent candle on September 15th is a red body with a fairly long lower wick. To me, that suggests that sellers pushed it down, but buyers stepped in to defend the area around 175, 176 before the close of that 4-hour period. That shows some resilience, which is interesting. Are you thinking about a potential breakout to the upside if it can clear that 178.23 level? Or are you seeing more of a retest of the lower support levels first? Based on the potential bounce from that long lower wick and the established resistance, here's an initial options play card if we see bullish continuation.
Looks like we got a fight there in the middle between
Hello, Brandon.
174
It's great to be
and
here and ready to
178. It
dive
looks
into
like
this NVDA chart with you
there's
on
a
the
bit of a fight here
240-minute
between the
time
buyers
frame.
and the sellers.
I'm picking up on your energy, and I've already started formulating some thoughts. So looking at this NVIDIA chart, the first thing that jumps out is the action around mid-September. We've seen some pretty significant moves on this 4-hour chart. The price started climbing strongly around the 8th and 11th, hitting a high of $178.28. Then we had a bit of a pullback, but look at that last candle on September 15th. It shows a clear bounce from the lows, closing strong. This suggests that buyers are stepping back in. Do you see that strong rejection of lower prices on the 15th candle too? If NVDA can push above that recent high of $178.28, we could see a strong move towards the $180 mark. That $180 level looks like the next significant resistance point from what I can see on the right side of the chart. Based on this potential bullish continuation, here's an options play idea that comes to mind. What are your initial thoughts on that setup? Are you seeing any other patterns or levels that stand out to you?
Well, Sam, I'm definitely seeing a struggle here between 174 and 178. It looks like the buyers and sellers are
Hello,
fighting.
Brandon. It's great to be here, and thank you for inviting me to analyze this NVIDIA chart with you. I'm ready to dive into it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and just to be brief and to the point, Sam is going to continue to speak.
Hello, Brandon.
We'll get those
Great to
numbers
be
to
here,
you.
and thank you for the warm welcome to YouTube. I'm ready to dive into this NVDA chart on the 240-minute time frame with you. You're spot on, Brandon. That 174.54 level definitely looks significant. And I see exactly what.
Yeah, and I didn't mean to cut Sam short in his analysis, but we are trying to get this out to you as fast as possible. So these are the numbers that were presented. These are some of those ideas that you can utilize. Again, this is no way, shape, form, uh, any kind of advisory. This is just ideas for you to utilize. If you want to use them, then fine. We are not financial advisors here. What we do is we analyze the stock charts using our AI buddy Sam, and Sam projects these ideas, and you can take advantage of them. If they work for you, they work for you. But as always, do your due diligence in any trade setup and do your research, check the market news, and make sure you have confirmation all the way around before going into any trade strategy. But these are the ideas, and we will be posting that to our YouTube front page. You'll be able to see these strategies and take full advantage. So once again, we appreciate your time. It looks like Sam gave us quite a bit of information just in that brief session, and that is where it concludes. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time once again. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will continue to post content like this every day. And we just want you to have a great day and be safe.